Please wait, let's quickly consider this question. An organ pipe closed at one end is 80 cm long. We're asked to determine the frequency of the fundamental note, assuming that the speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second. This question is actually very simple. The topic in physics is known as sound wave. Now, we are told that this is a closed pipe. When you hear closed pipe, what did I say? Closed pipe. Remember, wavelength is equal to 4 times the length in a closed pipe. Now, we have a closed pipe. An organ pipe closed at one end is 80 cm long. That means the length of that organ pipe is what? 80 cm. 80 what? Cm. Remember, we're going to convert this 80 cm to meters. Conversion in physics is very important. That means the length is equal to 0.8 meters. You divide this 80 by 100. We are asked to determine the frequency of the fundamental note. Frequency of the fundamental note. Frequency of the fundamental note is what we are asked to determine. Now, if the speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second, V, speed of sound is 340 meters per second. Now, if you look at this formula for closed pipe, there's no frequency here. That means you cannot easily use this to get the fundamental frequency. Therefore, you remember the formula connecting speed of a wave, frequency, and wavelength. We are going to combine these two equations. Now, these two formulas, are you there? We are going to convert these two formulas in order to get the fundamental frequency. Now, let's combine them. From here, now remember, lambda or wavelength is equal to 4 times the length. I'm going to remove this wavelength and replace it with 4 times the length. Speed is equal to frequency times wavelength is equal to 4 times the length. Therefore, speed is equal to, let me write the number first before the alphabets. Before I get the answer, remember to like, comment, and share. Then, let's substitute our values. Speed is equal to 340, which is equal to 4 times. Fundamental frequency is what we are looking for. The length is 0.8. Are you there? Therefore, let me finish it here. The fundamental frequency will now be equal to 340 divided by 4 times 0.8. So fundamental frequency is equal to 106 Hz. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. Bye.